Hello and welcome to the second episode of the Viz Kids Quiz Show. Well, in this episode, we have very special kids participating. They are from the Upanagar Shikshan Mandal. The school that they represent are Vidyanidhi Vrajlal Parekh, which is a Marathi medium school. And I would like to really specifically highlight that this is a school which is in Juhu in Mumbai. And one of their basic themes is education for the deprived. And I'm very, very happy to have 4 kids participating from Vidyanidhi School from Juhu. Let me introduce them right at the onset. On team Swaraj, we have Rutuja Bodke and Ramesh Yedke. Hi Rutuja. Hi Ramesh.
Hi sir. Hi sir.
Hi. Yes, on team Swadesh, we have Shruti Ghagwe and her teammate is Anushka Narvankar. Hi Anushka. Hi Shruti.
Hi sir.
Hello. Okay, well, we'll start off with basically we have 3 rounds in this quiz show, the Viz Kids Quiz Show. And the first round basically is a specific round on festivals. As you all know, we have the festivals that have just kick-started off with, in July, August with Raksha Bandhan, then came Janmashtami and then Ganpati now. And yes, a lot more festivals in India. Why not start off our Viz Kids Quiz Show second episode with the round on festivals. So I will ask you a question and then give you an option. You have to answer me the right answer if you know it. Otherwise, you don't get 10 points. So that's how we start off our first festival round question, which is for Team Swaraj, for Rutuja and Ramesh. The question is, name the festival to celebrate the victory of good over evil. Name the festival that we celebrate in India to celebrate the victory of good over evil. Your options are Navratri, Diwali, Holi or Dashera. Which is the right answer? Navratri, Diwali, Holi or Dashera? Yes, Rutuja, Ramesh?
Sir, Navratri.
No, Diwali is the right answer. No problem. That's fine. You have more questions to come. Let's move on to the next question, which is for, to Team B, which is for Anushka and Shruti. Your question, name the festival. This is very interesting. Name the festival to celebrate victory of goddess over the demon Mahishasura. Is it Pongal, Durga Puja, Dashera or Holi? The festival to celebrate victory of goddess over demon Mahishasura, Pongal, Durga Puja, Dashera or Holi?
Dashera.
Okay, I'll give that to you. Yes, you get 10 points. That is Swadesh, you get 10 points. Let's move on to the next question, which is the third question. This is for Rutuja and Ramesh. Name the sacred festival to mark the birth of first Sikh Guru. The sacred festival to mark the birth of first Sikh Guru. Baisakhi, Lohri, Guru Nanak Parab or Janmashtami. The options are Baisakhi, Lohri, Guru Nanak Parab or Janmashtami. Yes, Rutuja and Ramesh, do you know the answer? Which one is the right answer? The birth of first Sikh Guru. Baisakhi, Lohri, Guru Nanak Parab or Janmashtami? Any guesses? Yes, Ramesh. Okay, I will give the answer later. But Shruti and Anushka, you won't get marks or points. Yes, Rutuja, do you know the answer?
Sir, Guru Nanak.
Okay, I'll give that. Yeah, Rutuja, you're right. It's Guru Nanak Parab. That's the right answer. So yeah, you have scored it out there. Guru Nanak Parab is the right answer. Let's go on to the next question, which is for Shruti and Anushka. Which is the harvest festival of Kerala, in Kerala? Harvest festival in Kerala. I'll give you the options. Raksha Bandhan, Onam, Yugadi or Shivratri. Raksha Bandhan, Onam, Yugadi or Shivratri. Yes, Shruti and Anushka, this is a question for you.
Onam.
Onam is the right answer. Yes, very good. You got 10 points there. Let's move on to the next question, which is basically the last question of this round for Rutuja and Ramesh, which is Team Swaraj. Your question is, name the festival celebrated to mark Assamese New Year. Assamese New Year. Is it Lohri? Is it Hola Mohalla, Baisakhi, or Bohag Bigu? Options are Lohri, Hola Mohalla, Baisakhi, or Bohag Bigu. Assamese New Year. Yes, Rutuja and Ramesh, any guesses?
Sir, Baisakhi.
No, it's Bohag Bigu, which is the right answer. No problem. We can move on to the next team, that is for Shruti and Anushka, which is Team Swadesh. Your question, which of the following is celebrated as the birth of Lord Krishna? Okay, your options are Mahashivratri, Onam, Janmashtami, or Navratri.
Janmashtami.
Okay, no prizes for guessing. You're absolutely right. So you got 10 points. Well, and at that, we come to the end of the first round, which is the festival round. And at the end of the first round, the scores are Team Swadesh is leading with 30 points. And Swaraj team, that is for Rutuja and Ramesh, you have scored 10 points. But never mind, we have 2 more rounds where you can score over the other team. And now we move on to the second round, which is Spellbound. Now, Spellbound is like your school dictation. I'm going to ask you 5 English words. You got to answer them right. If you get each of them right, you get 10 points each. So you can actually score 50 points in one go, right? So let's start off with the team Swaraj, which is Rutuja and Ramesh. Your 5 words are poetry. Can you spell poetry?
Sir, Poetry.
Okay, next word, status. Status.
STATUS.
Okay, third word, school. This is for Rutuja and Ramesh. School.
SCHOOL.
Okay, this round continues for Rutuja and Ramesh. Next word, different. Rutuja and Ramesh, any one of you.
DIFFERENT.
Very good. And your last word is software.
SOFTAFE.
No, software is SOFTWARE. So no worries, Ramesh. You guys have answered 4 of the 5 right. So you get 40 points. Swadesh team, Shruti and Anushka, this is your question. Please unmute your mics. Rutuja and Ramesh, you can mute your mics now. Okay. Shruti, Anushka, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, your word, message.
MESSAGE.
Very good. Second word, country.
COUNTRY.
Very, very good. Computer.
COMPUTER.
It's TER. It's okay, no problem. COMPUTER. But it's okay, no problem. Your next word, Shruti and Anushka, is Thursday.
THURSDAY.
Okay, you're right. And your last word, different.
DIFFRENT.
One of you. DIFF. I heard up to there. Carry on, Shruti.
DIFFRENT.
Okay, you missed the E. So it is DIFFERENT. So no problem. You still get, 30 points. So at the end of the second round, let's see where are the scores. So at the end of 2 rounds, the team that is currently leading with 60 points is Swadesh, Shruti Gagve and Anushka Narvankar. You are on 60 points. And Team Swaraj, you're just 10 points short. You're at 50 now. You have that edge in the spelling round. So Team Swaraj, you're on 50, and Team Swadesh, you're on 60. Well, we have some wonderful kids here coming from Vidyanidhi School in Juhu in Mumbai. And I must also share with you that this quiz would not have been possible without the support of Mr. Hemant Al-Dangri, who is basically the trustee and the chief executive officer with HEED India. Now, HEED India is an organization, is an NGO, which basically is driven by three dynamic people who come together to change, to see the change they wish to see in the world. And the basic focus has been on sports, health, and education. The WizKids Quiz Show with me, Santosh Sirur, aims at bringing kids, giving them a platform to boost their self-confidence and also motivate them through the associations of NGOs that they are in. And well, it gives them a platform like a Zoom to showcase their talent, their superb skills, and their education over a period of time from these schools. And of course, as I said, we have these very brilliant kids joining from Vidyanidhi Brajlal Parekh, which is a Marathi medium school based in Juhu. And well, education for the deprived, that's their mission. And very happy to have the kids from this school. And I also must say that it's been an amazing journey for this second episode of the quiz. I've had some fantastic support from the principal, Ms. Neelam. Also want to share that the teachers and of course all the parents who have supported. And now we move on to the third round, which is our last round, and it's a video round. And we'll be showing you a clip, and then the question goes first for Swaraj team, which is for Rutuja and Shruti. So here's your clue first. Okay, now the first question to you guys, that is for Rutuja and Ramesh, is you have to identify this famous Shehnai maestro. And the options are, is he Ustad Allah Rakha Khan? Is he Ustad Bismillah Khan? Or is he Amjad Ali Khan? Who of these three? Ustad Allah Rakha Khan, Ustad Bismillah Khan, or Amjad Ali Khan, who is the famous Shehnai maestro you could see on the screen. So Rutuja and Ramesh, your answer? Any guesses from the team Swadesh, Shruti, Anushka? Any guesses? The way you not get these points.
Sir, Ustad Amila Khan?
No. The right answer actually is Ustad Bismillah Khan. He's the Shehnai maestro from India. Okay, let's move on to the second question. And the second question goes out to team Swadesh, to Shruti and Anushka.
टीचर का बेटा भी दिलेर आर्मी ऑफिसर बन सकता है सर. फौजी होता है सर. कहीं भी पैदा हो सकता है.
Okay, what you saw is a very recent movie clip, and the very simple question for you here is this: Sher Shah is the basically the movie is based on which famous Indian military officer? The options are: is it Nayak Bhairon Singh? Is it Captain Vikram Batra? Or Major Kuldeep Singh Chandpuri? Sher Shah is based on which Indian military officer? A movie based on which Indian military officer? Is it Nayak Bhairon Singh, Captain Vikram Batra, or Major Kuldeep Singh Chandpuri? The question goes out to Team Swadesh, which is Shruti and Anushka. Any guesses there? Guess. Even if it's wrong, it's okay. No negative points. Which of the three? Bhairon Singh, Vikram Batra, or Kuldeep Singh Chandpuri?
Vikram Batra.
Very good, you're right. Shruti, it's a perfect guess, but you're right. You get 10 points. So that's good to know. We move on with the third question. This is a question for Team Swaraj. Rutuja and Ramesh, have a look at this video. Okay, the question is, what you're seeing here is basically a dance form from Maharashtra state. You have to identify the dance. Is it Lavani? Is it Lazim? Or is it Koli dance? The question is for Rutuja and Ramesh of Swaraj. Which dance form? Lazim, very good. Lazim is the right answer. Let's move on to the fourth question.
Country, and now the Honorable Prime Minister offering his puja.
ये दृश्य पूजन मंच से
you can see Prime Minister Modi basically offering flowers to a particular statue. The question goes out to Shruti and Anushka of Team Swadesh. Identify the statue. The options are Thiruvallur statue, Buddha statue at Hussain Sagar, is it Adi Yogi statue, or is it the Statue of Unity of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel? The question is for Shruti and Anushka.
Statue of Unity.
Okay, perfect. You guys are right. So that's the points that you get there on. It is the Statue of Unity, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in Gujarat. And yes, with that, we come to the end of this WizKids quiz show. Who's winning, right? Team Swadesh, Shruti Dhagve and Anushka Narvankar. You guys have won this quiz round with 80 points, and followed by Team Swaraj, which is Rutuja Bodke and Ramesh Edge on 50. Thank you so much to the teachers, the parents, and of course, you guys for participating. A very special round of applause for Sargam for being here on this show to help us with the post-production and the quiz video round. And of course, also a very special thanks to Mr. Shekhar Subramaniam for the questions that he set us on this quiz show. And with me, Santosh Sirur, wishing you all all the very best in your careers. That's it from me on the WizKids quiz show. Bye for now.
Thank you.